Okay, where'd we leave off? Got exhaust is all mounted, just throw them in the box, it's fine. Okay, you know how much oil's in it now?
Yeah.
Okay. You put the gas in the tank?
Yep.
Alright, gas is on. Maybe. Alright, we're gonna see if the oil pump repair went as planned. Give or take a little bit. Okay, where's the screwdrivers at? One of these two here ought to do the trick. I can dial it in with that. Give it more idle speed on it. Okay. Crank her up. I'm going to run it for a few seconds, shut it off.
What pressure come up?
It went to 20 pounds and the unit light went off. And let the things kind of settle, make sure we got oil in there. I don't think you would have seen it that quickly, but it would have come up. Okay, ignition contact. I think all the neighbors are up now.
I don't see no foam or movement in the oil.
Yeah, they didn't want to take the throttle at first, but it started taking it. So. Yeah, oil pressure's there like it should be. Let's see, where's the flashlight? Oh, it's got foam in it.
Fold up.
Come over here and see it.
Oh, okay.
It's real low, you only got like half a tank.
Yeah.
Definitely need more oil in it.
I got oil.
Burning all the crap off of it. Alright, well it runs.
Fire it up one more time.
Why?
I want to take a picture.
Piss off the neighbors some more?
Yeah.
More smoke. Don't give me no kisses now. Hey, no kisses. Beating me up over here.
Hey, you can't. Damn it.
Need oil.
Good man.
Any more of that cheap oil to put in there?
I'll bring some tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll bring you that primary fluid and stuff, whatever I get.
No stupid primary fluid. You put a quart of oil in your tank. Still gotta break this thing in yet, you know.
Yeah. Very cool, man.
Burning all the crap off your exhaust systems.
Yeah.
That's always
What
a
did,
plus.
what did it sound like? Do you sound it okay? Sounds fine, Don.
It was real heavy there until it revved up once. Once I got it to rev up a little bit, then it cleared out. It's probably got a lot of oil in the crankcase. Because it would wet something in there.
Yeah.
But I don't know, it's not coming back up, but we didn't, you know, you have to run it for a while to get it back, see where it's at. You might, I don't know, the ignition should not have any kind of a break-in period in it, so it should be full on all the time.
But as many miles that motor has, I still have to take it.
We have no idea what kind of mixture you got on this thing, what a jetting we need.
Yeah. And it had an air cleaner.
I got the idle mixer screw turned in quite a bit this time. Let's see what we got. We got half, one and a half, two. Damn, it's 2 turns out. Half, one and a half, 2. So you need a richer low speed jet most likely. We don't know for sure until you get all the oil out of the crank. That's a lot of idle mixture. So like I said, we don't know really what it wants until we can rev it up a little bit and see where it's at. But we'll have to do some dialing in tomorrow on it, get some jetting figured out.
It had an air cleaner. Well, I don't know.
Put the charger back on the battery.
I don't trust anything now, but I'm
Well,
sure when you put that air horn on there, man.
Keep that cord off the exhaust pipe there, unless the exhaust pipe is cooled off.
When you put that air horn, like my other bike, it didn't want to run right with that. You'll get to rejet it.
You ain't gonna run right until you put fuel in it. You let in air and you gotta put some fuel in the damn thing. Those open velocity stacks make a lot of horsepower, but you have to put fuel in it to go with it. It leans them out real bad. So you either run it open or closed. It's like the drag pipes, you know, you either run them open or closed. So you can't run it for both. So, all right, well there you go. If you put the oil pump together correctly, it doesn't, it works. So, I still don't know why that starter did that weird start deal, but
Yeah, what's that?
I don't know.
Really? Have you ever seen that?
that was Geno's custom Halloween surprise.
What is that?
I have no idea what, I haven't got a
understand.
clue.
I know what capacitors do. That's something like capacitor will hold the charge.
Right, but it didn't have one in there, so,
So,
I don't know. It did it twice, who knows. All right, that's it for now, we're going home on this one.